Hey guys, this is Al from clickspread.com. Today we're going to be doing a awesome training on how to make $1,000 a day outsourcing. All right. Now, a lot of people are trying to make money with outsourcing, but they're having difficulty. And the reason why, to be honest with you, is because they do not have an automated system and they are doing a lot of things wrong. And today we're going to be going over what things you need to do, and we're going to be offering you some help in your outsourcing journey, how to make $1,000 a day. All right, the first thing we want you to know is that we do not want you focusing on $7 um, uh, jobs, $200 jobs, $35 jobs, $50 jobs. We only want you focusing on stuff this $500 or more. If you're not doing that, you are wasting your time. Okay, because the system that we're going to show you takes about as much energy to get $50 as it does to get $500. So what happens is, or more for that matter. So what happens is that when you are doing your marketing and everything that you're promoting or whatever, you want to focus on high end items. So that's the first thing we're going to go over, and that's the price point. So don't waste your time with those low end jobs. All right, so let's go over the 5 things, and then we'll go into the 3-step system. All right. All right. The first thing I mentioned was your price point. Make sure that everything that you're outsourcing is above $500. If you don't, it's a waste of your time. What you want to do is you want to make sure that you set up your system. That means you want to have a way in which you can communicate with your customers. You want to have either a website or a telephone. You can do this low tech or medium tech or whatever, but you have to have a way in which you can communicate with your customers. And the other thing is you want to find your outsourced workers first. Okay. All right. So what that means is once you have determined that you want high-end products or services, then you want to find someone who's offering those services at low prices. Okay. Or at least reasonable prices. All right. All right, and then you want to automate the process so it happens over and over and over again. If you don't have a website, that's one of the things that you need. You're going to need a website that automates the process over and over and over again, and it's simple to do. All right, and now we'll leave a link in the description below so that you can easily make a website in a couple hours. All right. Now, um, here is the other thing you need to be thinking, that you're marketing all the time, and everything is marketing. All right. So now let's get into the 3-step system, and we're going to break it down, and we're going to go into the details of how to make the $1,000 a day, because that's what it is. All right. Now remember, the first thing we said was we want to focus on something that is a high-end product or service. All right. Now for this example, we're going to use web development. Okay. Now here's the thing. You do not have to be a web developer. You do not have to know how to create a website. All you need to do is you need to have the ability to make an ad or have someone make an ad for you so that you can market that service. All right. Now, what happens is you're focusing on problem solving content. Your ad is a problem solving ad. Basically, it can be something as simple as asking a question like, need a website? And then putting a number underneath there that they can call. All right. Now, when they call that number, you're in the process of what's called data collection and money collection. That's step 2. So you want to make sure you get their NAP, their name, their address, and their phone number. You also want to get their information as far as what they want in the website. Okay. Now, what happens is you get detailed information. If they say they want it to be able to take payments through PayPal, you write that down. If you say that they want to have a lead capture page that captures leads, you write that down. If they say they want to be able to book appointments with a calendar, you write that down. All of the information that they are providing to you, you write it down. Because what's going to happen is you're going to take all that information and you're going to give it to this guy. And that guy is the one who's going to be the one that actually makes the website for them. All right. Now, what happens is now the question is, where do you find this guy? Where is this guy or where is this girl? All right. Here's where they are. They are somewhere online. They're either on a website like Craigslist in India, or they're in Craigslist in Philippines, or they're on Upwork, or they're on Freelancer, or they're on Fiverr, or some other place. And all of these places that I mentioned are going to have a link in the description below, so don't need to worry about that. Okay. And what happens is this person is going to be able to do pretty much everything that you need done. So you do not want to stress. You don't want to worry. You just want to give that person all the information. And they're going to give you a quote. And it's going to be a reasonably priced quote. And then what you're going to do is make sure that that quote, when it gets back to your customer, is going to be higher, and it's going to be more than this, and hopefully more than this, especially if they want a very high-end website. Okay? So that's what you're going to do. And you're going to do that on an ongoing basis, and you're going to put your ads everywhere. You're going to put your ads online, on Facebook. You're going to make a YouTube video that describes your services, and you're going to offer it in your local area, or you're going to offer it, depending on the service that you're offering, you're going to offer it nationally and internationally. You're going to put them out every possible place that you can. And you're going to let people know, hey, I make websites, or I do something else. And then people may ask you, you say, well, can you send me a portfolio? And guess who you're going to get your portfolio from? You're going to get your portfolio from your worker. And you're going to give your worker more work, and your portfolio, the portfolio that he sends you or she sends you, is going to get you more work, and you're going to make the money because you did the work. Okay, so that's basically it. You're going to start with the high-end product, and you're going to build your system. Now, if you need a website, there's a link below that's going to show you how to get a website. If you need hosting, there's going to be a link below to show you how to get hosting. And if you need a domain name, there's going to be a link below to show you how to get a domain name. We're also offering some bonuses to show you and fill in some of the blanks of how to increase your income and make $1,000 a day or more in outsourcing. We're offering some bonuses when you buy our flagship product. All right. So the flagship product link is in the description below. but let's go over the mega money bonus of today. All right. So the mega money bonus of today is it's going to be, of course, $1,000 a day and $1,000 a day outsourcing bonus. And what's going to happen is the first bonus is going to be how to outsource anything to anyone. You're going to get that when you buy um, the flagship product for today and located in the description below. You're also going to get $1,000 or 1K a day, 1K payday formula. You're going to get to download that. You're also going to get how to make $1,000 per day. It's going to give you ideas and information on different things you can do to make $1,000 a day. And then if you are an affiliate marketer or you want to be an affiliate marketer, we're going to give you our JVZoo training videos that show you how to become an affiliate marketer using JVZoo. And remember, you want to focus on the higher end products so you're not wasting your time. All right, and next we want to offer the commission blueprint. This tells you if you're going to be an affiliate marketer and you're offering those products, how to increase your commissions on different products or services that you're selling. And lastly, traffic is key to everything. So you want to make sure that you have traffic. So what happens here is we're offering underground traffic sources. This is an amazing bonus package if you get our flagship product that we're offering underneath this video for purchase specifically for outsourcing. All right, guys, please check out the descriptions in the link below and subscribe to the channel to get more information on how to make $1,000 a day or more or $500 a day or more. That's what we focus on, building wealth for you. All right. Have a great day, guys.